Hello, everyone. I'm Jay Cottrell, Global Marketing Communications Manager at Laser Technology Incorporated. Every Tuesday around 2 p.m. Mountain Time, I will be talking with an employee or a subject matter expert about traffic safety, professional measurement, or our products, or what it's like working during the pandemic, and anything else. So we're live for about 15 minutes, and it's just long enough for you to enjoy a coffee break with us. Today's interview is also being tweeted live over on Twitter, so you can join us there if that's a better format for you. And if you have any questions or comments for Derrick or myself, please post them in the chat, and we'll answer them either in chat or in another Tuesdays at 2 live conversation. And today, Derrick Reish, Senior Product Manager for the Professional Measurement Division here at LTI, is joining me. Thanks, Derrick.
Hey, no problems. Glad to be here.
So, you've gotten a list of questions from Maddie, and we're just going to go through, who you are and what you contribute to LTI. So, how long have you been with the company? Much longer than I have, that's for sure.
Well, what year is it? It's everybody should know what year it is, right? It's the year 2020, so that would be 21 years I've been with Laser Technology.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And where did you start? Did you start in product management?
With Laser Technology? No, I actually started at that time I was pounding the pavement looking for a job. What I used to do then was I was a CAD tech and a dot control guy for engineering companies, for manufacturing companies, and found an ad in the Denver Post and applied to be the CAD tech at Laser Tech, and got hired. The engineering director at the time hired me, but he's now the president, Eric Miller. So that's how long ago it was.
All right.
So I did a lot of CAD tech and dot control. I started off on the engineering side for a few years.
All right. Well, what prompted you to make the move into product management?
Well, with the background I had, just kind of with the knowledge of product development, CAD tech and everything else, like knowing engineering processes and manufacturing processes, I wouldn't be more involved with product development. And so an opportunity opened up to be a product manager, moving forward from engineering side over to the marketing side, which some people were kind of like raised an eyebrow like that. You're moving from one area to the next. So
to the dark side.
To the dark side, yes, I got that a couple times. But after knowing that, that's one thing I really like to know is taking a thought of somebody, a product or an idea, and making, designing it, and then coming out with something that somebody can use. So that whole product development cycle is what I really enjoy. So.
Okay, so a good move for you then.
Yeah, it's been fun.
So, of all the products that you have worked with, which one would you pick as your favorite?
I would have to say it's the True Pulse product line. That really introducing that product line, the True Pulse 200 and the 360 back in 2005, I think. That really took the professional measurement division to the next level. It's been the most successful product in our division we've been selling. We sell it all across the world. Opened up to whole different areas, not just survey mapping, but just like professional measurement, any type of measurements outdoors. And I think that really took the professional measurement level to the next level, and that's really what I liked.
Okay. What do you think is the most successful solution that we've come up with? Like, what is the biggest problem that we've solved with the True Pulse line?
That's a good question. I kind of think our True Pulse line solves a lot of different problems, or people that run into, especially when if you got to do any type of measurements, or if they got to collect data points in the field. So I think the way we make our apps and make our products, they all kind of solve a problem. All different areas, all different niche markets or vertical markets. From designing a face profiler software that helps reduce fly rock to, making an app that maps smart where we can measure stockpile volumes, so people don't have to crawl on the pile to collect data points. and just, mapping from safe locations. If I need to position a manhole in the middle of the road, I mean, nobody wants to go out there and bounce around the road. So, with GPS, you can stay on the side of it and use our lasers. So, I think it solves our solutions solve a lot of problems, or solve a lot of problems and keeps the user safe.
Okay, so would you say that what fires you up for coming in every day to work or staying at home every day for work right now is the fact that we're making things safer for people?
Yeah, for what we're doing now, yeah, for us staying at home for work, less traffic on the roads, and the
products do that as well. Our products make things safer, so they're not out in the middle of the road, regardless of if there's traffic or not.
Right.
So we have a new product. Can you talk a little bit about this brand new baby product of ours?
Sure. Yeah. Yeah. We got it's called the TruePoint 200H. This product I think has been in the works it has been in the works for a lot of years. It was kind of like I said, I started off on the engineering side, and of course, all new products are exciting. And back then, we talked about this product called the tape laser, and I got all excited. I'm writing notes down, and all this kind of stuff. And over the years, it's taken on a different life of what we wanted it to be. And over the last few years, we've really taken what we've known from the TruePulse line, what we know from another measurement technology called phase, and combine that into one laser. So it's really kind of morphed into this really, the next product we've got can take the next leap. So it's called the TruePoint 200H. It's combining two different measurement technologies together. It's got onboard data collection, interfaces with different apps that we develop also. So it's been exciting to get that going and get it in the marketplace.
Have you heard any early success stories on that yet?
We have heard some success stories. They use it right now, some people are using it in the pole audit industry to measure different attachment heights. Since the accuracy on this unit we get down to millimeter accuracy with the phase technology, you can really get the differences between two different attachment points. So we get that down pretty tight. So that's been one of the bigger success stories we've heard.
That's awesome. So when you're not working, what's your favorite Colorado activity?
Colorado activity. Well, I grew up in the mountains, so up in Wyoming. So that was my outdoor activities it's anything, whatever season it is. It's an outdoor activity. So like winter, it's skiing, downhill skiing. That's what I always have done. The other spring, summer, fall, it's hiking, biking, camping, just any outdoor activity I can do. That's what I go after. That's why I live here in Colorado.
Well, yeah, it's a good reason to. That's why we moved here to Colorado, is because we like doing outdoor things and camping and hiking for sure.
Oh, yeah.
So,
yeah.
What do you miss about going into the office?
What do I miss going to the office? There's a lot of things I do miss. Being around other employees is, we all like that. And I definitely do that. Kind of a social butterfly, run around, say hi to everybody, that kind of stuff, be in other people's office. What we've got now is this Teams. We're able to do that and video chat. It's great. We can see each other, but there's still that in-person communication is things that I do miss.
What's something that is surprisingly good out of working from home? Like, what's surprising about that?
Oh, there's quite a few good things about working from home. With the position I'm in, I do travel around. So I have been working out of the office for many years. And like we said, we've got a lot of different tools that we can work from different places. So that helps, and like this Teams thing help. But working from home, it's got to be the commute is one. I've cut down a lot of times on the commute. That's very nice. And I get to wear shorts. So, hey.
Okay. Yeah, you only have to dress for the camera now, right?
That's right. Still wear an LTI shirt though, all the time. So.
Right. So what is the first thing that you will do once things are a little more opened up and you can go and travel around and do things?
Oh, the first is definitely go see family and friends. One thing I think, take that for granted when it does get taken away from you. You can't travel, go see them. That's the first thing. So I got planned to go see my parents up in Wyoming, and that's the very first thing I'll be doing. So looking forward to that.
As soon as we don't have a whole lot of new cases here in Colorado, we're going to go see my mom. So
yeah.
We don't want to get her sick. So
that's their thing. Yeah, that's for that. So, but that's one of the first thing. And like I said, and being around friends more, taking those opportunities. That's going to be the big thing coming out of this that they'll be looking forward to doing.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that too. So I've got some fun questions for you. Coffee or tea?
What's that?
Or tea?
Coffee or tea? Neither.
Okay.
So.
What is one thing that you would never leave home without?
My wallet.
Okay. What would be the best piece of advice you've ever received?
I don't know. So I was I've got the motto or motto that is a "don't worry, be happy" type of thing. So kind of always look at life that way. So
okay. Bobby McFerrin. All right.
that was actually our high school class song too, or something. That was our theme that year. So kind of stuck with me.
All right. What is your best purchase under $50?
Man, I'd say a good pocket knife.
Yeah.
Yep. One of those guys that has a pocket knife.
Well, with the hunting, or not hunting, but the golfing and skiing and all of the hiking and camping.
It's always.
You're just going to need something like that.
It's always growing up the Boy Scout in me. So.
All right, and what's your favorite TV show?
TV show, man. I don't know. There's anymore. There's a lot of good TV shows. I think if I go back and watch any reruns and stuff, it's like Seinfeld.
Oh yeah.
I think that one kind of took it to the next level or just was funny. And so if I do watch TV and reruns, it's that one.
Yeah, Seinfeld's fun. It's just a little bit of nothing that they make fun of, so it's very lighthearted.
Oh yeah, do that all the time.
Is there anything else that you would want people to know about you before we sign off?
No, I just I think this is really good doing these things, these Facebook Lives, get to know more people in the company and think what people do. I think that's great. Any more about me? You can always call me, reach out to me, talk to me. Pretty much tell you what I think. But I really appreciate us doing this. And one thing is just want everybody to be safe and be happy.
Thanks, Derrick. Next week, our Tuesdays at 2, will be with someone in traffic safety. We're going to be talking with an officer from Columbus, Ohio, and he's going to be giving us his perspective of what traffic is doing during the pandemic, because there's some surprising things that are coming out of this. So you can join us. I'll talk to you later, Derrick.
All right. We'll see you, Jay. Thanks.